part of the assembly, and that is a queen of a chess. So from here, first step is to click on model and make it okay from here. Now as similar, we have to select the plane. We can choose the front plane. From here, click on this sketch. Now select the planar face of plane. Click on this YZ plane and make it okay from here. Now what we have to do is to create a profile first. So taking a profile command, from this origin point, first go with the length of 15 and make the angle of 180. Like this one, let's zoom it. Okay. Now we have to go up with the length of 3 and then 2 in the right. Let's make it again. From here, 2 in the right with the angle of 0 and with the angle of 90, create 2 again and join these two diagonals like this one. Let's quick trim fast from here and trim this one and trim this one. Both lines has been trimmed. Yes. Now let's cancel the command, and again going on the arc command, we have to create an arc of radius 6. So from here, creating a radius of 6. So is it 6? Let's see out. From here we can see it is 7.3. So double click on this and make it to 6. Okay, like this one. Now what we have to do is to make the rapid dimensioning of it. So from here, taking the rapid dimensioning, select this first point, select the end point of the arc, drag it vertical, and this should be of 8.97. So from here, make it to 8.97. So let's do it like this one. Now what we have to do is to make the horizontal. So again, going on rapid dimensioning, we have to take the tangent point. So right click on this and set from list. Take the arc center, no tangent point. Okay, then taking this origin point, this distance should be of 14. So is it of 14? Let's see it. Okay, it is of 14. No, it is 15.8. We have to make it to 14 like this one. Okay, now cancel it. Now what we have to do is to create a line. So from taking on this line, go line, create a length of 1 and with the angle of 90 like this one. Now again going on the arc command, from here we have to create an arc of radius 2. Let's zoom it here and taking this first point here, something of point, and create a radius of 2 with the closer one. Drag it to closer, yeah, like this one. Now what we have to do is to pan it first like this one. Now we have to do the rapid dimensioning of it. So its vertical length should be of 2 mm. So from here, taking this point and then taking the end point of the arc and drag it vertical. So this distance should be of 2. It is 1.9. We have to make it 2. Just a 0.1 difference like this one. Okay. Now again what we have to do is to create, first taking the endpoint of this and then taking the endpoint this, with this distance would be of 8. Let's check it out. Is it 8 or not? Yeah, it is 8. So no need to change that. It is 8 point. So let's first make it exactly of 8. Let's cancel the command from here and again making it to a smaller one, pan it. Okay, so from here going on the R command, let's select the R command, and from this endpoint we have to create an arc of radius 90. Let's make it to 90. How much we need it? We need that of 90. Let's do it again. Okay, now any point here we have to give the name of 90. Okay, okay, it is not creating. Let's do that. First make it to something like this one. Okay, now from here taking the R command, now from here let's do it again. Try it. Make the radius of 90, take the closer one like this one. Now it is perfectly done. Okay, now its vertical length, it is of 27.7. It should be of 42.43. So let's make it to 42.43. First this should be removed whole, it should be of 42.43. let's create it. Now make it close, and again going on the rapid dimensioning, taking this as a first point, now taking this as a second point, drag it to down, and the distance would be of 6. Let's check it out, is it of 6 or not. It is 4.2 and make it to 6. Now close this one from here. Again dragging and zooming at the top, so from here pan it and drag it to the top. Again going on the arc command, we have to create an arc of radius 2 here. So let's create a radius of 2. Click on this, so it is of radius 4. Double click on this and let's make it to 2 first. Okay, now again going on the rapid dimensioning, from here what we have to do is to first do the rapid dimensioning first of vertical. So taking this first point, taking the end point of the arc, dragging this like this one, it should be of 3.32. let's make it of 3.32. okay, like this one. Now this vertical distance should be of 8. Let's check it out, is it of 8 or not. Right click, orient to sketch, taking this end point, the distance would be of 8. Let's check it out, is it or not. It is 7.2, so let's make it to 8 first. Okay, now what we have to do is to again pan it. Don't first pan it, first let's make it to long line from here, so it would be the easier reference line. It is a reference line. Okay, so from here let's zoom it. Now we have to work at the top, so going on the profile command, taking this one at 1 and angle should be of 90 at a straight one. Okay, now what we have to do is to first connect these two lines. Okay, now what we have to do is to quick trim the extra lines first. Trim this one, trim this one, and trim this one too. Again what we have to do is to create a line of length 15. From here creating a line of 15, and in the left taking this as a first point, and here go left with the angle of 180. We have to create a line of length 25 like this one, and then taking this as a first point, taking this as a last point, we have to join these two points. No, it should be not 25, it should be of 12.5. divide by 2. Okay, so let's make it 12.5. okay, now it is perfect. Now what we have to do is to quick trim the extra portion, this one. Okay, again similarly what we have to do is to create a line from here of 1. So creating a line from here to 90 degree like this one, and again similarly what we have to do is to first taking this point and then taking this point to the upper one. Okay, so now what we have to do is to first make the line of 3.27. let's quick trim it faster. Trim this one, trim this one. We have to make a line of 3.27. so from here line, and we have to create a line of 3.27 and make it 90. Again going on the arc command, taking this as a first point, this as second point, we have to create a radius of 25 like this one. Okay, now let's trim the extra portions first. This is the extra portion. This first create whole dimensioning. From here taking the diameter of 10 like this one, and then nothing, not this one needed, just taking the point at the top. Okay, now quick trim the extra portion, this one, this one, this one, this point, this point, this point, this point. Okay, only keep the one reference line, not need this much. Now what we have to do is to right click on this and make it convert to reference and make it to finish sketch, bring into isometric view. From here going on the extrude, then selecting any curve on this. Okay, it is extrude. Now we have to select the revolve. So from here going on the revolve, select the curve, select any curve. Now specify the vector, it should be of z direction. You will get a point in this reference line, or like this one. So the queen has already created. Right click on this and make it to height. Again going on the rendering and make it to rendering. Now we have to save the this part of the queen. After that we will work with the another part of the chest. Let's see how it is creating. Okay, like this one. Now we have to save this one. So going on this save and save as, we can save this file.